What's good, y'all? Today I'm going to be showing you guys some pickups I got from La Point Value in the Bronx. But before that, I want you guys to hit that subscribe button. And if you're watching this on Instagram, go like a bunch of photos. Now that you guys did that, we're going to get right into it. I'm going to show you guys some of these pickups that I got from La Point Value in the Bronx. First, I have here this Champion hoodie. It's a blue Champion hoodie with a silver logo. Still got the tag on it, extra large. Next here we have the St. John's University windbreaker. My brother actually went to St. John's University. He graduated from there. But this is a Champion joint. I don't know if you guys can see. Next, this is my favorite piece that I found at La Point so far. Regular ass Tommy Hilfiger crew neck sweater, gray crew neck, very basic, essential wear. Now, what I have next here is this New York Rangers hockey jersey hoodie. I don't really watch hockey. I don't know if you could tell by my skin tone, but I picked it up because I knew somebody wanted it. I got 2 more pieces left, 2 more and then we out of here. Got the Macho Man Randy Savage t-shirt, orange. And last but not least, well actually least because this is my least favorite piece, but I'm sure it'll sell, is Ralph. Somebody gonna buy it. So the name is La Point Value in the Bronx. I think there's 3 different locations. I went to the one on Jerome, and I went to the one on White Plains. I'm not too sure what the 3rd one is, but you guys can look it up on Googles, do your Googles. Also, you can find all of these pieces plus some more on eBay. I have them up on my eBay. I'm gonna put a link in the description. If you want something, go cop something. As for now, I'm out of here. Peace.